Omukazi ogwiyamuyanka Eunice Rutiro omutura wa Bitibwa omu district ya Namusindwa kandi kote kurirwa omuramuzi Morris Oburu ehurire ngo omukazi ogu abe nagenjeje embazi y'amatungo ajuguza abantu.
Community from the use of adulterated drugs. The convict does not deserve community service for reason being that she committed the offense knowingly, as seen from the evidence that she tried to relabel the drugs. She very well knew that she committed the offense, and she opted together with her lawyers to waste court's time and government resources.
Joseph Wasabula Massa, Prida wa Eunice Rutiro, ashabire ko tokuchendeza hakifubiro ahabwo bujinanizibwa obwaine ngo kureberera abana n'abazirebe konko kushaba kwitukuraberemo.
Interacted with her, Your Worship, and she has expressed deep remorse and regret for her actions and is willing to undergo training or awareness programs about safe and lawful pharmaceutical practices.
To act as an example in the community so that others can learn a lesson. The convict is hereby sentenced for count 1 to pay a fine of 1 million shillings, and for count 2, the convict is hereby sentenced to 3 years imprisonment. You have a right to appeal.
Rutiro akakwatwa ab'ekitongole kya National Drug Authority ahabira 2021 gwanyuma y'okushangwa naguza embabazi y'amatungo eginjirire omu myanya nkambare bugiri n'ahandi.
Era guno omusango tubadde tugufolowinga nnyo. Omulamuzi abadde lenient kubanga osangibwa ngo otambuza oba ngo odistributinga eddagala erifu oba eritali rirungi. Kooti bayinza okusindika mu kkomera okumala emyaka 10. Omulamuzi amuwadde emyaka 3 nga National Drug Authority tukiraba nti kibonerezo kiri fair era kijja kuyigiriza abalala.
Omukikwekweto eki boxi 14 z'emibazi etali emu n'emu zikakwatwa. Gasha kwa na Good Fatima.